Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Instagram and getting straight to the camera. This is where Lenses live. Tap the camera icon or swipe right from your feed and make sure the app is updated so new lenses appear. Once the camera opens, look for the smiley face or effects preview at the bottom. Tap it to open the effects browser. This first step locates the search entry point, so you can move quickly to find a specific lens without wasting time on settings. Once in the effects browser, tap the search icon and type keywords, creator names, or tags to narrow results. Try short phrases and alternate spellings if nothing appears. Instagram search favors recent or popular tags, so use trending or new filters to surface fresh lenses. When you find candidates, preview them live on your camera to check lighting and fit. Make sure to tap Try to Test fully, or visit the creator page to explore related lenses and collections before saving. Finish by saving the lens for easy access. Tap the bookmark or save effect so it appears in your camera tray. Then apply the lens, adjust exposure or focus, and capture your photo or video. Make sure sound and AR stickers behave as expected before posting. If the lens doesn't show or behaves oddly, update Instagram, clear the app cache, or restart your device. If that fails, try searching the creator's profile directly or reinstall the app to resolve permission or.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.